door. And here we go. So this is the room that I will be living in, at least for the first half of the summer. So yeah, we'll just do a quick overview, and then there are children screaming outside. We love that. So this is what the room looks like. So I'm living in here with my best friend. I'm living in her parents' house because you guys know that my parents moved and I wanted to stay in the area where, like, the state that my school is in. It just makes more sense for me. This is the area that I grew up in. It's a lot easier for me to get a job here because I know the area. So yeah, why don't we just start over here with her side. Obviously I'm not going to go as in depth with her side, but it's basically like a giant dorm room. It's really great, honestly. This is our little schedule. So that's when I'm working, and that's when she's working. She hasn't gotten her schedule for the rest of the week, but that's just our calendar. And then we have this little blanket holder. These are all my blankets because I have too many blankets and I'm obsessed. We have this full-length mirror on the back of our door. Hello. This is my pre-work attire. And we have some like hanging things on the back of there, all that jazz. And then this is our closet. It's kind of weird looking. So we had to organize it really oddly. So this is hers. This is where we keep like some of our jackets and stuff. These are also hers. And then our laundry baskets, and then this is all our hanging clothes and our shoes, our now excessive dock collection. But this is her stuff, and this is my stuff. I have a lot less. I've cleaned out a lot of my stuff, and I just don't have as many clothes as she does, but I also have more stuff over there that is clothing. So yeah, it's like really weird and really awkward, and everything's like on the ground that's hung up, but we're working with it. It's fine. And then she has this little like corner set up with her chair and my wax burner and her Himalayan salt thing. Yes, very zen theme. And then this is her bed and her nightstand and some tapestries, and we have like little lights going all around, and then these lights actually came with it and they're pretty powerful. I will not turn them on because you will be blinded. And then we have this here plant thing. So we have some books on the bottom where there would be no light for the plants. We actually got this from their basement because my plants were kind of just everywhere in their home, and her dad was like, they're not getting much light. I'm concerned about them, so let me grab you one of these. It's not my favorite thing because it's right in front of the window, but I think we made it pretty cute. And yeah, so that's that. And then moving on to the desk, we have all of her stuff here. This is her desk. We both have kind of these like organizer things on top, so that was also a struggle because we were originally going to put desks in front of our windows, but that didn't work. Then this is my side and my bed. I have these big pillows. I love them, and my tapestries and my string lights and all that stuff. That's her side, but we put it over here. And then my bedside table. Got a nice plant in there as well. Lots of different things. This window. We got some nice curtains as well. And then this is my desk. This area. Yep. Got some nice things hung up on the wall as well. And then this is kind of a secondary bookshelf because she has so many books that she brought. I have a lot of books, but I didn't bring them. So I have a storage unit in the area near my school, and she put some of her stuff in there as well, but like this is her home, so obviously she's going to bring more things that she has than I did. And then I have my yoga mat and my foam roller and all that kind of stuff, and this is her TV. So we just thought this was a nice nice setup. We also have some nice rugs on the ground because this floor, it's like not actual wood, it's just like sticky. So it's very weird. But yeah, that is the official room tour. Just give you another once over. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. If you'd like to, you can check out my previous video on the left side of the screen and my previous vlog on the right side of the screen. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will hopefully be soon. Bye.